Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to update Play Store on your Android smartphone. First of all, you have to open Play Store and tap on top right your profile icon. After that, you have to click on Setting button at the bottom. Now here you have to click on Network and Performance. Now here you have to scroll down and click on About. Now here you have to click on Update Play Store. In this way you can update Play Store in Android smartphone. Thanks for watching.